Hello friends and welcome to this very important update from Desi Chale Canada. We all know how the coronavirus pandemic and the resulting social distancing measures that have taken place around the world have impacted every aspect of our lives. Every country around the globe has prohibited mass gatherings of any kind, and as a result, tests which had to be taken at a center with many people taking the test at the same center and at the same time have also been impacted. The IELTS test, which also follows a similar pattern of congregating people in centers around the world, has also had to cancel most of its tests, resulting in inconvenience and uncertainty for test takers. However, there is now some good news for test takers who want to take the IELTS test, as it has been announced that a new system would be launched soon that would allow candidates to take the IELTS test from the comfort and safety of their homes. Known as the IELTS indicator, the new system is similar to the existing IELTS test in many ways and is designed to support candidates during the COVID-19 situation to help keep their education goals on track. Similar to the existing IELTS test, the IELTS indicator includes listening, reading, writing, and speaking skills, and candidates taking the test will receive an indicative score for each ability along with an overall score. The best thing about the test is that candidates' performance will be marked by IELTS examiners fairly quickly and results would be issued within 7 days. The test is available for a limited time while IELTS testing is currently suspended due to COVID-19. It must, however, be noted that the IELTS indicator test is only available in the academic format as of now, which means that it is applicable to students only who want to use the results to obtain admission in a foreign educational institute. It must also be noted that since the IELTS indicator provides an indicative score only, it is not accepted by all organizations. So, it is advisable that before booking the test, candidates must check with their university or educational institution to make sure that the result would be accepted. Bookings for the IELTS indicator will open on 22nd April 2020, and candidates wanting to book the test can do so by visiting the website ieltsindicator.com. Some of the advantages of the IELTS indicator test is that the test will give candidates an opportunity to measure their ability in all four abilities, which are listening, reading, writing, and speaking. The test can be completed at home online while the normal IELTS testing has been suspended in some locations. Universities and educational institutions can use IELTS indicator for conditional application purposes. The IELTS indicator academic test will take place once a week and is available for a limited time in certain locations where IELTS testing is currently suspended due to COVID-19. It must be noted that at the moment the IELTS indicator is only available as an academic test, which is designed to support students' applications during the COVID-19 crisis, and as of now the test has not been developed for migration purposes. The IELTS indicator website states that the time window for the test will be strictly controlled, so each section will be time bound. Candidates need to complete the test in one sitting for the full duration of the listening, reading, and writing sections, which is approximately 2 hours 45 minutes. Speaking test will be conducted separately. So friends, this was a video about the IELTS indicator system. If you liked this video, then please like it and share with other people who may benefit from information given here. For more information related to Canadian immigration and life in Canada, please subscribe to Desi Chale Canada's YouTube channel. So until next time, stay tuned.